Hi there. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss test incident report template, which is IEEE 829 standard template. So I have this spreadsheet here where I have these columns which are part of standard template. Here we have ID, which is test incident report identifier, then summary of test, then number of inputs, expected results, actual result, anomalies, date, time, procedure step, environment, attempt to repair, testers, observers, impact. So these are the fields that are part of IEEE 829 standard. You can get this template from the link given in the description box of this video. So let's discuss what exactly goes in this incident report. As you know, incident report describes some sort of situation or behavior or event that occur during testing that requires further investigation. In many cases, an incident report contains few concerns and have multiple screens where you get the informations, and these issues or concerns are stored in a defect template or defect tracking tool and then later into the database. As mentioned here, ID, summary, input, and all those fields within the template, you know that when you fill out this template, you will get the information which will help you isolate the problem and then record it in the defect tracking tool. All of these fields mention that what you need to do in order to track or isolate. For example, input field mentions the number of inputs given. Also, in expected results and actual result, you will see the output that is expected. In anomalies, you are going to see what exactly happened, and date and time field tell you when and at what time. In procedure step, we are going to figure out the steps that are needed to reproduce this problem. Also, in environment, we are going to mention the environment that this error or defect happen. For example, let's say you are having trouble with your website on Firefox 25 or say Chrome version 24. So that is the environment. Also the operating system, that also makes one difference. Then another field is attempt to repeat. So you have to try to attempt to repeat this problem. If you succeed, then that will be stored in another template which is different from defect tracking. In observers and testers, here you are going to put your role as a tester. For example, name of the tester. In observers, who are observing the test. Then impact, how badly it is going to affect your product or business risk or product risk is determined based on the data from this column. As you know, it is managed by not only testers but managers as well. So that's why you have to be very careful with the impact portion of your test. Once the effect is resolved, then programmers give testers another attempt to rerun the test, and this incident report is checked for further conclusions. And once the total test passes, then we don't need this incident report any longer, and the data is archived and saved for future projects so that we can learn from these mistakes or save bugs. And when we use defect tracking tools, we can find each one have different fields, so the standard is not followed by every software or say even web applications. Now whenever you're going to see these defect tracking tools, you will find that some of them have additional columns, so additional information is stored over there. Also we see how this allows each person to work on the incident report, enter the status and history information. So this is the information about IEEE 829 standard incident test report template. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. You can find the link to the templates which are on for sale by Evan, and the link is given in the description box. You can go on that link and check the number of templates available and have fun.